Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a fairly cool 8x10" painting that I used a basting brush in, and it has some shimmer in there. But I'm kind of thinking that it would be fun for me. So I'm going to use some colors where I think I'll hurt the design least, or well, where I'll appreciate them most. Starting with that gold. Moving on to what? The Water Dragon, which is a Prism pour from Colour Arte. And some Claret, or Claret, which I love. They all have a little golden GAC 800 in them, and a lot of polypore. I filled my restaurant container to the 1 ounce level, added color, and then the next day when it was down from the top a little bit, added a little bit of GAC 800. I'm thinking Pink Diamond. And some white, Amsterdam white to be exact. And that has cell activator. That is a cell activator because it has some osifloetrol in it. I'm going to blow straight down into it, I hope. And then I'm going to blow out all the petals. I think I want more Pink Diamond next time. And that gold did a pretty good job of taking over. I'm kind of surprised. I might be tempted, really tempted actually, to put some stems in here. I can't wait to see what happens. I have some hot orchid mixed up. And I think it's fully capable of competing with that gold. And I also have some Chantilly Lace. And I think I'm going to top that up with some Frozen and maybe finish off with some Blue Velvet. And we'll see how things work out. And this time I'm going to use the purple, which is osifloetrol cell activated dioxazine purple from Master's Touch. That is gorgeous! Woohoo! Much less gold is better. I have some Egyptian coin and now I'm really dying to try it. It's another Prism pour, but I gotta grab a clean spoon, give it a bit of a stir. I guess this is my opportunity to show you just how much GAC 800 I put in these, because I'm going to put a little bit in there. I don't really measure. I'm sorry about that. I'm sure lots of people do. I'm just not one of them. I think I'm going to put some of that Water Dragon, which is turquoise, along with that Blue Velvet next time. But I'm definitely going to try and use the Egyptian coin first. And we'll find out if it takes over or not. Alright, so what did I start with? Did I start with the Claret? Whatever it was awesome. Short-term memory loss. Alright, let's do the, let's reverse the order. Let's change it up. A little Frozen. Hit it with the Water Dragon. Which is basically, if I had a sign, that would be it. And the Blue Velvet. And go back to, I think the purple worked out so well, I can't help myself. You know what, I can't do this without some hot orchid. The pink diamond works equally well, but this is what I want right now. It might look a lot the same as the other one though. We'll see what happens. That's good. We got a lot more of the frozen color coming through, and I really like that. I also have a nice head rush. Woo! Yeehaw! Alright, let's see how small we can go. And how fast we can go. Egyptian coin, water dragon. Let's just stop there. I'm going to put some white in also. The white is Amsterdam white with Aussie Floetrol. Well, I didn't get enough of the purple in the center, although it is kind of coming up. I'm doing more. Just because everybody else does something one way does not mean that you are stuck doing it that way. I need another flower, and I want it to be bright. And I'm a lot nervous about using any yellow. More Egyptian coin. I have a coppery color, which is called Bonfire, which I think I might like in there. Still require another spoon and a stir. And then I will have used them all today. It's a beautiful opalescent. They're all pretty much butterfly wing opalescent. I don't want it to be super huge. And that claret takes over really well. So does the pink diamond. I'm going to go just a little bit of pink diamond. And see what happens if I use water dragon on top. This time I'm going to use just the white. Not sure I like that at all. Nothing a little hot orchid won't cure. That's better. I want to just keep going. But I could stop too. Just to make it difficult. I'm going to grab a little bit of my pillow paint that has GAC 800 and GAC 100 in it and experiment, because I'm here and you're here. And I want to make some small flowers. And the best way I can think to do that is with one color. That was strange. But as it turns out, cool. I like it. I'm going to do it again. That's what happens. I'm going to do it over here. What color will I do? Do I dare? No. I was going to do water dragon. I'm not going to do that. But I am going to do the white again. I'm going to try and aim better. Maybe a straw. I think I'm going to give it another little dollop of the Orchid and the black. Double process. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. It's getting somewhere. I could even call it good and stop. I'm very tempted to go ahead and give myself some leaf shapes. Seems to me I don't miss that painting that much. And I'm probably going to try and use some purple cell activator. Come on, drip. Thank you. But I could just blow them out first and see what happens. I'm missing one. That was a lot. This is, I'm using Neptune's Gaze with the Fandango. And I might want to steal a little bit. No, I'm going to do some other stuff. I'm going to definitely try. Start with purple. Yep, I like the purple. I like it a lot. This is going to be really pretty. I want to put a little bit of that right in there. It's better when the straws don't have spit in them, I have to say. I like using paintings I would not necessarily be thrilled with. And although I like that painting, it wasn't doing so much for me that I don't like this one more, especially with the cool background. And if I don't like the leaf shape, I can always move it, because there is a cool background there. There, and now I'm done. Pretty well done anyway. Close. Kind of being compelled to add a little bit of something right there. Just because I don't like that red mark. Is there anything else I need to blow out? No. I really like that. And no pillow paint required. Just wanted to adjust my flower back to where I wanted it to be. I could even steal a little bit of this paint, put it in a couple places. just because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, next to my second book on the Amazon link. They are the first 100 and second 100 processes, materials, and instructions. Thank you for joining me. I have over 2,300 videos, so if you're looking for something and you can't find it, please just ask me. This is, that's leaves. I'm going to use my finger. Anyway, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching the commercials sometimes. Thank you for watching longer, big important thing. Thank you for your comments that keep my morale boosted and help my YouTube channel. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link that's on the link tree that's under the video. If you want to inquire about purchasing an artwork or taking a class with me one-on-one at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, my email address is under the link tree. It's easpbgallery, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. Also under the video you'll find spring clothing, all over print leggings and t-shirts and all kinds of other good stuff. More stuff all the time. They keep adding all kinds of new stuff. More expensive but also cool is Le Gallerist on my link tree. Clothing made in Montreal and my designs on investment quality. Expensive but worth checking out. What else can I tell you? Comments are appreciated and questions are also appreciated. So if you have a question, please feel free to ask me. If you're interested in Pixels.com, Fine Art America merchandise from me, you might want to check on my Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more on Facebook. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a Facebook group. I'm going to zoom in. That was a dumb moment. This is really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot better than my last bloom attempt. That was before I had the Prism pours. In any case, I love you guys. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. If you're interested in helping, support the production of videos, video tutorials, and you make a donation through PayPal, you can find the icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. You can see the prizes that you'll have an opportunity to win, included at the beginning of the exhibition video that's on the end screen of every video. Well, at least on this one. And that drawing happens at the end of the month, or the beginning of the month, rather, the first day. I seem a little bit out of it right now. I'm trying to read and talk, and it's not working. What have I forgotten? I think I'd mentioned I had 2,300 videos organized by topic and genre, and if I didn't, they're also organized by the 100, and if you need a link, you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel, and if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. My paint pouring recipe will be underneath the video. This one will be interesting because it was a mix of all kinds of stuff, but I am loving the background, and I'm loving the whole composition is excellent. And I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. I'm here every day, 7 days a week, and I post right now at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know when this will air or if it will be the same time, but it's worth checking out. I usually torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, but in this case I'll be popping bubbles with something sharp. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. If I forgot something, you'll see it in another video. Priscilla out.